close to the trees.
Elf number 2. Elf number 2. It's going to fall a little short. Come on.
Okay, here comes Santa. Santa's coming in a little short.
There goes Santa.
Have a bagel again. Yeah.